Imagine this. A tower crane is lifting a heavy concrete beam. Suddenly, it starts rotating unexpectedly. Why? The answer lies in force systems. So, what is a force system? Simply put, it's a group of forces acting on a body at the same time. In real life, objects rarely experience just one force. Buildings face gravity, wind, and earthquake loads all acting together. Engineers must analyze these forces simultaneously to ensure safety. Force systems are divided into two main categories, coplanar and non-coplanar. Let's break these down visually. Coplanar means all forces lie in the same plane. Think of a flat sheet of paper. All forces act within that single 2D surface. First, collinear forces act along the same straight line. A classic example is the tension in a steel cable. Concurrent forces meet at one single point, like the forces acting on a truss joint in a bridge. Parallel forces, as the name suggests, never meet. Think of vertical loads acting downward on a bridge deck. Non-coplanar systems exist in three-dimensional space. These act in different planes and are much more complex to analyze. You'll find these in tower cranes or aircraft structures, where forces pull from multiple directions in space. For engineering equilibrium, three rules are key. The sum of all forces in x and y and the total moment must equal 0. Remember the shortcut, CCPN, collinear, concurrent, parallel, and non-parallel. Master these and you master mechanics. On a real site, like this steel truss roof, engineers use these models to ensure every joint is safe and stable. If ignored, improper force analysis causes torsion and structural failure. Engineering calculations protect human lives. Engineers verify these forces using load cells and hydraulic jacks, comparing real measurements with our design values. A real-world disaster was once averted when engineers realized a lift assumed parallel forces, but was actually non-parallel. By correcting the force system model mid-lift, they prevented a multi-million-dollar collapse. Precision matters. Let's lock this in. Force systems describe multiple forces. Coplanar is 2D, non-coplanar is 3D. Both are critical for safety. Great engineers don't just calculate. They understand how forces work together. That is what turns students into professionals. Thanks for watching. Follow each Concrete Hustle 01 for more engineering insights. Stay safe on site.